In this video, I am going to discuss about industrial engineering. So, what is industrial engineering? Industrial engineering is a field that focuses on making systems and processes better, whether in manufacturing, services, or any other area. It involves analyzing how things are done and figuring out ways to do them more efficiently, with less waste and with better outcomes. Now let's talk about examples of industrial engineering. Like restaurant efficiency. In a busy restaurant, an industrial engineer might study the flow of customer, the kitchen layout, and how food is prepared. By optimizing these processes, the restaurant can serve more customers quickly and with fewer mistakes. Now let's talk about another example, manufacturing optimization. In a factory, industrial engineers might look at the production line to see where time is being wasted or where materials are being used inefficiently. They might suggest rearranging the workspace, using new tools, or automating certain tasks to speed up production and reduce cost. Here, another example of industrial engineering healthcare improvement. In a hospital, industrial engineers could analyze patient flow to reduce waiting times. They might suggest changes in how patients are registered or how resources are allocated during peak hours to improve efficiency and patient care. Why it matters? Industrial engineering helps organizations run more smoothly by making processes quicker, less costly, and of higher quality. Whether it's in a factory, a hospital, or a restaurant, the goal is always to improve the way things are done for better results. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel. Goodbye.